Hey, welcome to MojaveKY. Just wanted to preface this video in a little different way because it's a challenge response video from my buddy CamaroTime. So this is the Underhood Challenge. You'll see my car and you'll see my son's 2007 Mustang. And I am apologizing in advance. I don't have a lot besides the standard stuff under my hood. So hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you in the next video. I got some cool stuff coming up from the weekend work, and I think you'll enjoy that as well. So challenge accepted, and just to make this a little bit more interesting and a little less boring, the What's Under the Hood challenge is going to include the 2016 Camaro, my ride, and my son's ride, the 2007 Mustang. So there's actually more going on under his hood than mine. So anyway, here we go. Try not to fall asleep. All right, so you have the 4-liter V6 engine from Ford in this Mustang, and got a little blue and a little blue. So as you can tell, I like my blue accents. I don't see them that often, so it's kind of cool to see them. So we got a BBK cold air intake on his. It is, just in case you're all wondering, which I can't imagine that you are, to be honest with you, it's California legal. Yeah, shocking. A California legal cold air intake. There's only one for the Camaro at the moment that's legal in California. So BBK cold air intake, obviously the filter. It's not as dirty as it looks, so no comments about you guys switch it out. And under here you have some stainless steel headers on the Mustang. So I don't know if you guys can see the stainless steel headers here, but stainless steel headers, also from BBK, and I would highly not recommend these. So don't buy these. If you want to know why, ask me in the comments below. But so you know, the BBK exhaust headers, also California legal. I know, the whole thing is just shocking. I did a video on the alternator and replacing that, so if you are interested in that, you can check out my video on that. But you can see clean new alternator. Other than that, that's I think that's about all we have done on his, and it is honestly, it's a lot more than you're gonna see on my car. All right, 2007 4-liter V6 on the Mustang. All right, got my new head turner sticker. Member of Head Turners in San Diego. So let's take a look. What's going on, Camaro? Honestly, like I said, not a lot. So, the catch can. Okay, I literally have no idea what just fell in the engine bay. But anyway, the catch can on the 6.2 liter naturally aspirated V8, 455 horsepower at the crank. So that is the Mishimoto catch can, and I have videos on the install and dumping out the oil in that, which there's quite a bit. All right, so in here is the AFE. It is blue. You know, washable air filter. So if you're interested in that, you can check that out on a video I did. But it's nice. I don't have a cold air intake. There isn't one that's Cali legal. Not that that's particularly stopping me, but just so you know. Everything else kind of stock. Sorry guys, nothing too exciting yet. I did start a project, and maybe if you guys want to see me continue the project, let me know, where I started coloring these. So that is high temp paint And I started with that one, just kind of testing it out to like kind of do the rest of these, you know, knobs and handles and all that kind of stuff in blue. And I just kind of forgot about it and stopped. So if you're interested in me doing that, I will, I'll kind of continue. Be kind of nice to have that done for CamaroCon too, because I really don't have a whole lot going on under here. But I'll definitely get this washed up and cleaned before CamaroCon 2. All right, you got it, CamaroTime. That was my what's under the hood. I mean, it's a lovely freaking engine. I love it. 455 horse. Hoping to do an E85, but then that's not going to be that exciting visual in here either. All right, until next time. Thanks, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for our next video, and in the meantime, keep modding.